Hey, everybody. Hope y'all having a great Saturday. Happy Saturday. And as you can see, we have a delivery here, and it's just basically 1 cent doubled up. And so let me introduce myself. My name is LashawnTerry. Welcome. Uh, Stay a little while, look around, have a seat. Subscribe if you're not. Click that notification bell so you know when I upload. Give me a thumbs up on the way in, please. And leave some comments in the comment box. So while I take this out the box and let y'all know who this is from, let's catch this intro. Ta-da! So as you can see here, we have something from Dua. Now they are two of the same fragrances. It's not different. I figured if I liked it, I wanted to be able to have a backup and don't have to fight to get it, because as soon as they get it in, it runs out. So if y'all haven't seen my first haul from Dua, go ahead and watch that. It was my first and my biggest haul from them. Dua is a inspired fragrance house. They do a lot of inspired scents, and they also do their own fragrance as well. Ooh. Good grief. Okay. So is it, yeah, okay. DuaBrand.com. The people don't play about Dua, child. They just had a restock yesterday, and my gosh, they had some new fragrance in, but this milk fragrance, everybody is going bonkers over. So basically, the milk fragrance, I believe this is a inspired of let me go look. Okay, so I'm back. I had to go pull it up before I gave y'all wrong information. So this is white milk. I have not smelled this yet. Again, this is very hard to get. As soon as it comes in stock, it runs out the door. Basically, this is an inspiration from Bianco Latte by Giardini di Toscana. And I've been wanting to get, this is an amber vanilla. The notes are caramel, tonka bean, honey, vanilla, and white musk. And this goes for $33 on Dua brand. I believe if you got the Bianco Latte, the OG, I believe it's like $150 or something like that. So you can't go wrong with a dupe. Let's smell this together. This is my first time smelling this, but I'm gonna spray it twice, because with Dua, when you get your stuff in, spray it like 2 to 3 times. If you sniff it, it's gonna burn the nose hairs out your nose. So once you spray it the 3 times, it should get better after that. This smells good. I just sprayed it in the air. They said the longer Dua sits, the more maceration that it gets, because I'm thinking that they make these up and ship them right out as they're ordered. Yeah, I smell the it smells like caramel. Let me see how it smells on my skin. I smell the caramel right away, but there's no caramel note in it. Yeah, in the air, I'm smelling the caramel, the vanilla. Very nice. It has honey. Did I say caramel? Yes, it does have caramel. Caramel, tonka bean, honey, vanilla, and white musk. I do smell the caramel. I do smell notes of honey. But I just got this in. Again, you have to let them sit to really get the true notes of it with Dua. And so I'm gonna go ahead and let these sit and macerate and come back in, and maybe next week or something I'll try it again to see how it smells, if it came together more. But just spraying in the air, it smells good. I don't know how the OG Bianca latte smells because I don't have that, but from what I heard, it's not really worth the money. It does not last long. It's not as strong. And $33 from $150, that's a good deal if you ask me. So until the next video, I'm gonna see y'all later. It's not much more. Again, y'all could go check out my unboxing first impression haul with Dua to see everything that I've gotten thus far with them and what the company is about. They are on Facebook. I would say join the Facebook group, the Dua brand, so you will know when they have their releases, because again, these ladies don't play when they come to Dua. It's the Dua brand on Facebook. A lot of these scents, boy, they sell out in minutes. Sometimes you got it in your cart and you go on to check out and it's gone, type of thing. So I would say, if you are interested in Dua and some of the more popular notes, join the Facebook group. If not, just scroll their site. They have a very large site and they're always running a sale. You never should have to pay anything full price on Dua. They actually have a 30% off Easter sale right now. So go ahead and go over there and scroll through and see what you like. Peace.